Konnichiwa! Hello and welcome to Learn with Juri. Today's lesson is Meet the Family. In this video, Jay introduces his family to Yuri. Family is a warm, everyday topic, but Japanese has one twist that surprises every beginner. Watch along to find out what that is. We'll start by listening to a short story without any subtitles, and then we'll watch the same story with Japanese subtitles and explanations. Let's start with the listening part.
ただいま。
おかえりなさい。
ゆりさん、こちらは母です。
はじめまして、お邪魔します。
いらっしゃい。どうぞ。
こちらは父です。
やあ、いらっしゃい。J の彼女？
違うよ、お父さん。
お父さんは面白いですね。
そして、こちらは姉のさくらです。
お姉さんもよろしくね。
ここは弟の部屋です。わあ、お客さんだ。僕、ジュン。
こんにちは、じゅんくん。ゲーム、上手だね。
これが僕の家族です。
素敵な家族ですね。
Now for the subtitles and explanations.
ただいま。
Jay steps inside and says, Tadaima. This is what you say the moment you arrive home, to whoever's already there. Tadaima, a set phrase you say as you walk in the door. There's no real word-for-word English version. It's just the thing you always say when you get home.
おかえりなさい。
Jay's mom answers with, Okaeri nasai, the natural reply to Tadaima. Okaeri nasai, the set response when someone comes home. The shorter, more casual version is just Okaeri. That's what family often say to each other. Together, Tadaima and Okaeri nasai are a little daily duet you'll hear in every Japanese home.
ゆりさん、こちらは母です。
Now the heart of the lesson begins. Jay introduces his mom to Yuri, and the word he chooses matters a lot. Kochira, a polite way to present someone, like saying, this is, much softer than pointing. Kochira wa is your go-to phrase for introducing anyone. Now here's the twist. When you talk about your own mother to someone else, you use the humble word haha. It sounds modest, and that's exactly the point. You stay humble about your own family. Here's the golden rule. Japanese has 2 words for each family member. Use the humble words like haha for your own family when talking to others. Use the polite words like okāsan for someone else's family, or when speaking to your own family directly. Feel free to pause the video here and check out this complete table to help you along your journey.
はじめまして、お邪魔します。
Yuri greets Jay's mom politely. Hajimemashite, we know from lesson 1. And then she adds a lovely new phrase. Ojamashimasu. You say this as you step into someone else's home. It literally means something like, I'll be disturbing you. And it's the polite, humble thing every guest says. A little piece of magic that makes you sound thoughtful and well-mannered.
いらっしゃい。どうぞ。
Jay's mom welcomes Yuri in. Irashai. What you say to welcome a guest into your home or shop. Dozo. An all-purpose word for offering something. Here, please come in. You'll use dozo constantly. Offering a seat, food, passing something. Super handy.
こちらは父です。
Jay introduces his dad and uses the humble word again because it's his own family. Chichi, the humble word for your own father, to match haha for your own mother. So when talking about your own parents to others, chichi and haha.
やあ、いらっしゃい。J の彼女？
Jay's dad greets Yuri and immediately teases them both with a cheeky question. Dads, eh? Yeah, a casual, friendly greeting, the kind a relaxed dad would use. Kanojo. This one word means both she and girlfriend, depending on context. Here, clearly girlfriend. He links it with no. J no kanojo means J's girlfriend. No doing its possessive job again from lesson 1. Its male counterpart is kare, meaning he or boyfriend.
違うよ、お父さん。
Flustered, Jay quickly corrects him. Chigo used to deny or correct something. The little stutter, chigo, shows he's a bit embarrassed. Very natural and human. The yo on the end adds emphasis, like, I'm telling you. Otōsan, to his own dad. Wait, why? Good catch if you spotted this. Earlier, Jay called his dad Chichi when introducing him to Yuri. But here he's speaking to his dad directly. And when you speak to your own family, you use the polite word otōsan.
お父さんは面白いですね。
A soft little laugh. A cute, warm reaction sound. Omoshiroi, a great everyday adjective. Add desu ne to share the impression. Omoshiroi desu ne. He's funny, isn't he?
そして、こちらは姉のさくらです。
Jay introduces his big sister Sakura. そして a smooth connector to move on to the next person or idea. Ane, the humble word for your own older sister. Notice no linking it to her name. Ane no Sakura means my older sister Sakura. We met no back in lesson 1 for joining words like this.
お姉さんもよろしくね。
And Yuri replies using the polite word onēsan because Sakura is someone else's sister. There's the pair again, ane from Jay, onēsan from Yuri. Mo yoroshiku. Mo means to from lesson 2, and yoroshiku is the friendly short form of yoroshiku onegai shimasu, lesson 1. So she's warmly saying, you too.
ここは弟の部屋です。
Upstairs, Jay shows Yuri his little brother's room. Ototo, the humble word for your own younger brother. Koko and heya. So, koko wa ototo no heya desu is, here is my younger brother's room.
わあ、お客さんだ。僕、ジュン。
And here's June. And listen to how differently he talks. Little kids speak in a cute, casual way. Okāsan, a friendly word for a guest. Da. Notice he says okāsan da, not okāsan desu. Da is the casual version of desu. Kids and close friends use it.
こんにちは、じゅんくん。ゲーム、上手だね。
Yuri says hello warmly and compliments his gaming. Kun, a friendly name tag often used for boys and younger people. So Jun-kun is a warm, casual June. Remember San from lesson 1? Kun is its cheerful little cousin. Jozu, we met this in lesson 2. Game, jozu da ne, is you're good at games, aren't you? She uses the casual da ne to match his friendly, childlike level.
これが僕の家族です。
素敵な家族ですね。
Jay sums it all up. Kazoku, the word for the whole topic. これが僕の家族です is this is my family. A warm way to wrap up the introductions. And Yuri gives the warmest possible response. Steki, a lovely compliment word. It links to a noun with na, so steki na kazoku is a lovely family. Add desu ne, and you've got what a lovely family. A perfect, heartfelt thing to say. Congratulations for finishing this episode, and thank you for watching. Your challenge? Introduce one member of your family in Japanese in the comments. Try こちらは母です or こちらはchichi desu. I'd love to meet your family too. Keep your eyes peeled for new episodes coming soon. Like and subscribe to get notified as soon as they become available. See you again soon. Mata ne!